and I am here to discuss to you my learnings in micro perspective. My learnings in micro perspective is that the accommodation sector encompasses various businesses that provide overnight lodging for travelers away from home. These establishments range from simple caravan grounds to luxurious resorts. City-based accommodations cater business travelers, long-stay visitors, backpackers, special travelers, while scenic resorts attract holiday-makers seeking pictures, gateways. In the food and beverage sectors, restaurants ranging from fast food to fine dining venues play a crucial role. Catering businesses also provide services for special occasions, such as weddings, conference. The sector strives on the synergy between these interconnected services, enhancing customer experiences. So next na chika na tayo. Nasa chika ay tungkol sa learnings ko kay Sir Mico de los Reyes. Ang natutunan ko sa kanya ay hindi kami pwedeng lumabas ng classroom na walang natutunan at naintindihan sa subject niya. Lagi din siya pinapaalala na bawal ang kamote sa classroom. No? Natututunan ko din sa kanya na mag-aral at ng handout dahil kada tapos namin discussion ay nagkakaroon kami ng recitation. So lastly, my learning in seminar is the importance of 5 A's of tourism and the future of tourism industry. The seminar was enlightening experience emphasizing the 5 A's of tourism: attraction, accessibility, amenities, accommodation, and activities. These components are crucial for creating comprehensive tourism experiences that caters to diverse needs, understanding their significance not only enhancing immediate visitors' satisfaction but also paves the for sustainable growth. Looking ahead, the future of the tourism industry appears promising with a shift towards more personalized, technology-driven, and eco-friendly travelers' options. This evolution is expected to redefine tourism, making it more accessible and enjoyable for future generations. So that's all, guys. So see you next vlog. Bye!